We heard the siren. We were lucky to run to the shelter. We were sitting in the shelter, and then we heard such a boom. It was awful. We were sure that the missile hit our building. We had, of course, to wait until we were allowed to go out. We went out. We saw the windows and shattered and everything broken, destroyed. The house, we went to the house, the apartment looked awful. We felt awful. I mean, it's invasion into your life. It's destroying things you built during your life. It's your house. It's invasion into your life, into your house, into not a very nice feeling. I mean, very depressing, very frustrating. We were rather agitated, but yeah. Well, it's frustration. You don't know where this situation leads us to. It's an awful feeling. You really don't know what's going to happen in the next, I wouldn't say next day, next second. So it's not nice. You don't really know what's going to be politically wise. You don't know where do they lead us to. So the feeling is it's frustrating.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.